Bonjour, bienvenue. So in today's video, we are gonna see 8 ways to learn French. Learning new language may look challenging when we are grown up, but it's still exciting, doesn't it? Usually kids seems to pick up a new language very easily, but when we are a bit older, it seems little challenging to pick up a language or to learn a new skill in general, and it's time consuming. But what if you find out you can learn language free of cost from your own comfort and whenever you want? In this video, I'll share the possible way which is available for free to learn French with the help of some apps and courses. There are many French courses, apps and other resources out there today. Many may be costing you earlier or even maybe later after the trial pack is over. But there are some excellent French learning apps which are really free. Probably this is one of the most popular learning apps. Duolingo is one of the online learning website and app, and even have a digital language proficiency assessment exam. Learning with Duolingo is fun and addictive with a daily 5 minutes lesson. This takes a game-like approach to learn. First, to get started, you can create a profile and start with a basic version, and later you can move to the advanced version. App has some funny and strange practice which helps you in your vocabularies and grammar. So the next one is Busuu. Again, this is also one of the famous platform where you can learn French. I have to say this is more into grammatically explanation, better audio and more comprehensive courses. In Busuu, usually the variety of lessons keep you engaging throughout the course. If you want, you can buy your next advanced plans, but to start with, you have to have a basic course. One more extra note I want to add is Busuu even offers GSET, that is Global Scale of English Test, where you can check your English proficiency as well. Next one is Open Culture. This helps you learn one of the popular languages like English, French, Spanish, Italian, Russian and many more. It is having a 48 languages option listed on the website for free to download, including French. Compared to other apps and courses in the list, Open Culture is more like a directory. You can even find a podcast lessons or any other French related vocabularies or grammars in this directory. Babbel platform focuses on your speech, teaches you speak, read and write French in the language of your choice. There are beginner courses available for free. You can anytime upgrade it if you want an advanced level. You can even download app and make your learning very easy. You can see the interface in my video here. Mango Learning has over 60 languages including Punjabi. It is first film-based and culture learning platform with both app and web-based service. It is a paid service. If you are already in Canada, then you can access this anytime free in public libraries. And the next one is most very common way of learning which everyone is used to nowadays, that is YouTube learning. There are so many YouTube channels out there which teaches you to learn French very easily. One of my suggestion on this is Learn with Alexa. This is one channel which I used to follow before even I moved to Canada. So this will help you learn your basic in such a way that ABCD, numbers and everything. You can just check in the link below. To start with, this is the very best way you can start learning French. It is even very much free of cost. Okay, my last two options are the one who already moved to Canada. When you move to Canada, this will help you for sure. If you already landed in Canada, especially I'm talking about the Quebec province, there are many materials and resources available for free. First option, which is very much helpful I felt, is many public libraries offers an online learning platform and provides resources that are free for members. So you can explore which public library is near to you and check with them if they have a free language learning platform. So if you are in Quebec and if you are landing in Quebec, then one thing which will help you is the language laboratory at BANQ. So this is one of the free public library, free to join and for the residents of Montreal, and has access to a lot of services. The last option is free French learning by Quebec government. This is available offline and online as well. But due to pandemic, mostly it's available online now. You can check my full video on this by clicking on the I button. It is available full-time and part-time and even online. I hope this video will help you in some way to explore and learn French. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the like button to keep me motivated.